Hello, this is Sarah Reed, and I'm a digital learning specialist in the Fort Worth Independent School District. In this brief tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to install the Drive file stream from the Software Center and accessing it from your computer. So before we get started, I just want to explain what the Drive file stream is. If you're familiar with OneDrive, it's very similar to this. When you go out to your My Computer, which is actually on your computer called this PC, and you're taking a look at everything on the left-hand side. If you're familiar with saving files on your computer, you're probably familiar with saving to documents. When you download files from your computer or from the internet, they go to the download folder, you have your picture folder, and so forth. The problem is that if you're using Google Drive, which if I go out to my Google Drive right now, if I need to get things on my drive or pull things off of my drive, I have to physically go to my Google Drive and go here to the new button, and I have to click on File Upload, or I have to right click on whatever it is that I want to download to my PC if I'm going to have to put it in a different program. And that can take a lot of steps and a lot of extra time. So what Drive file stream is, it is actually an install that happens on your computer, and once the Drive file stream is installed, it puts a link to your Google Drive actually on your PC. So if I come over here to the left-hand side where it says Google Drive file stream and click on it, click on My Drive, this will link, if I'm signed in through my Fort Worth ISD account, this will link to all of my folders and all of my files that I have on my Google Drive. So it makes it very easy to be able to save files to my drive and pull files off of my drive as well. So once you have successfully installed the Drive file stream from the Fort Worth ISD Software Center and you have set it up so that it is accessing your teachers.fwisd.org account, it will install the Google Drive file stream on your computer. So I just want to go ahead and go over a little bit about how to navigate this on your PC. So currently I have gone in and I have opened up my File Explorer, and I have it open, and I can locate my Drive file stream either over here on the left-hand side or over here on the right. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on Google Drive file stream. You can access your drive and also shared drives, so any drives that have been shared with you. I'm going to go ahead and go into my drive. And right now, the view that I am in, if I right click, I am actually viewing the details, and that's really what I want to see. If you want to change this view, you can right click and you can change it to other viewable options. The only problem is that if you want to choose like large icons, you're probably not going to be able to see what's inside these files until you physically open them. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. You notice that I have lots of different file folders on my Google Drive. If I keep on going, then I start seeing individual files, and I can sort here by date. If I click at the top, I can sort by type, and that's nice because that way you can kind of see what type of file types you are working with. You'll notice that these are Adobe Acrobat. These are using Google Drawings. Right here, I've got Google Forms. Keep on going. I've got Google Docs and so forth. So if I want to access one of these files, let's say I want to open up this particular file, if I double click on it, it will automatically open in a browser and take me to that specific file. Now, if I go back to File Explorer and I keep on going, you'll notice I have lots and lots of files. Most of these are Google files, but you'll notice that I do have some picture files here. So if I double click on one of these options on my drive, it will open up in the photo viewer on my computer. So it's not going to go out to the internet and actually open it up on the internet. It's going to open up on my physical computer. If I keep on going, you notice that I also have some files that are Microsoft Excel or Microsoft PowerPoint or Word. If I choose one of these, the nice thing is it will automatically open this up in the particular program that I need it working in. So for instance, this sweet beer bread, if I double click on it, it's going to take me into Microsoft Word and it's going to open it up in that particular program. So it's very nice to be able to use this to access your files instead of having to go out to your Google Drive all the time. Now, if I am working, let's say that I am working in Microsoft Word and I am ready to go ahead and let me go ahead and open this sweet beer bread again. If I go to File and I go to Save As, the nice thing is if I go to Browse, I can come over here to the left-hand side and I actually have Google Drive as an option to save. So I can go out and if I want to save it to a different folder, I simply double click on the folder I want it to save to, and then I hit the save button just like I would if I was saving this to the documents in my on my PC. So hopefully this will be a benefit to you. It has been a great benefit to me with regards to saving files to my Google Drive and also downloading them off of my Google Drive for other purposes.